Obwabire nasibura abakristayo omuli Kagadi, Bishop Kauma asimira abakristayo abebembezi ahandengo zona hamwe n'abanyadini ahabo obushagiki obubatireho na mnonga kubasa kombeka ekanisa ya sente zikurengo bilioni 1 na milioni rushanju ari kugira ngo iki nekintu kikoleka okuba ari kukunda Ruhanga omwanya ogu. Alice Kabasana uri omuhwezi wori kwebembera abakristayo omuli Bunyoro Star Diocese nawe asimire abakristayo ahabo kutsima Bishop oriyo nahumura ahabo emirimo etari emwe n'emwe eyasigire yakora.
We thank so much our Bishop Samuel Kahuma Boli for having encouraged the Christians to work and put up such a magnificent church of God in the heart of Kagadi.
Dr. Mwalimu Musheshe or Vice Chancellor of African Rural University emwe eyabishiki omu Uganda kandi oli founder wa Uganda Rural Development and Training Center asimire Bishop Kauma ahabo kufayo akebembeza enjiri eyokureba nga abantu bafayo ahakuranirira obuhangwa bwensi hamwe na nokwehayo okwakozire omukwasa kuburira enjiri eyokuretaho entunguka omuli Bunyoro Kitara.
Developmental, he has encouraged education to be surrounded by good environment, trees and others. And on the other side there is a swamp, on this side there is a forest for URDT and Aru, and I'm told the National Forest Authority with the mayor of Kagadi are going to distribute trees so that they can plant more trees.
Bishop Kauma akozire emyaka 8 nakainaja kuhumura mu kwezi kwa 8 omwaka ogu ombijerebye hari kuza muri Reverend Canon Ateireho Jacob. Amakuru agagasha kwa Msinguzi Andrew ahabwa Sky TV.